I mean, I didn't heard that black people like chicken, but 100 nuggets.
I'm cold and I fight with the dead like a white walker, bro. Why I spit so hard, my dog is just like that. Nate gotta take off like a top dog, just like that. Tell Rick Ross I'm the boss in charge, just like that. I'ma speed it up, switch lanes, overtake, just like that.
How do you feel?
What do you mean, how do I feel? I look how I feel, fam.
Shh. I'm buses on, man.
Nah, don't watch that, innit? That's really my car. That's really my car, innit?
Them ones there.
Obviously, I had a flat tire, but that doesn't stop.
Hey, we came through, bro. Came through dripping.
Hands and that, but yo, still get these nuggets in. Just as well, I had. Right, oh, obviously, yo, let me tell you the story about which way am I going from. Yeah, let me.
It's like the third time we've gone the wrong way.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Listen, why'd you always exaggerate? Like last night,
Did we not go towards, what do you call it, Scotland? When we're meant to come back. I lied.
Yeah, you lie, fam. But anyways, right now, we're still about to get some chicken nuggets. We out here.
We're about to nugget it up.
We nugget it in.
Yeah, boy.
Yo, let's get them nuggets, homie. Let's get them nuggets, homie. My trim's loud. Shout out the man himself.
No, nice day, you know.
Man's gonna catch that moment.
No.
Catch them moments. Yeah, so I don't know what it's gonna be. We basically haven't ate all day and it like I'm thirsty still. Can you see my lips are dry?
Man got summer. Window nuts.
Did I just turn off the car? Why did I turn off the car? It is hot in England and I need to go to the gym, fam.
We up, boy. We up. Need hope. Get out there.
Hello?
How can I take your order?
Yeah, can I get 100 chicken nuggets?
How many nuggets, sorry?
100.
1 second, sorry. Any sauce?
Yeah, well, we want a lot of sauce. What sauce, John?
Ketchup.
Just a few of each.
Yeah, please.
Yeah, please.
Yeah, anything else?
Nah, yeah, that's... Oh, can I get a large Fanta?
And the large cup.
And a large
Yeah,
Coke?
everything.
Cheers. But to this.
We really doing this. Oh, look, a car that's like mine. Fanana.
Yeah.
It went that way, fam.
I didn't see it. That doesn't count.
Yeah,
bro.
it does, fam. I
The
seen
rules.
it.
No, bruh. The rules is if I see it as well, you can't just be in puncher, man. I could say what? Same car right now.
What? Where?
Exactly.
I'm
Oh, it's fun.
active, you get me?
Exactly. You need to have rules, so you can't just dig a man randomly. No cap.
No cap. Hey, yo, in the comments here, what does no cap actually stand for? Because see, we understand
Yeah.
what it would like stand, but we want the definition of like.
That word is lit, but
In it, like, yo, we've been saying it still. Like, no cap.
I just don't know what that shit means.
I feel like I gotta speak to y'all because two uploads I missed, but I've been busy. I don't know what to say to y'all, but we're back with more videos.
Don't shoot off, let's say.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Alright. I have to try not to drop you off.
Did you hear the chick laugh? Oh, can I get 100 nuggets? Sorry, what's that? But yeah,
I want 100 nuggets!
100 damn nuggets. Cheers, son. Hey, that.
Cheers. Alright, all the sauces are in there. Cheers.
Alright, cheers. I'm relaxed to the point now.
100 nuggets.
Bro, we're lit.
100 nuggets.
Whoa.
You see everyone lining up to be like, I want to see you this.
Bro.
I want to see this hungry guy, you know what I'm saying? It's like, hey, is he on his ones? Has he got a whole family?
Is he a fat guy?
Is it? Oh, it's just 2 of them? Oh, I mean, I done heard that black people like chicken, but 100
nuggets?
100 nuggets?
Damn.
Oh, 100.
All the drinks.
Yo, allow it, man. Not
Sauce.
oh, it's a sauce. I thought man was eating already. Yo, obviously, you ready from the title already. Got that 100 nugget challenge, you get me? Yeah, so we got 100 nuggets here, and we gotta eat them in 10 minutes. That's the, excuse my camera angle right now. This guy wanted to do it outside because it's a nice day, you know? Inside, you know, very warm and no good, you know? Very, you know, no good. We in the cup! Aye! My man! For any of y'all that don't know, this is my boy. This is my cousin.
Far off. Call me rough.
Is that really gonna be an introduction, like?
No, fam.
That the first time I'm... Anyway, yo, we got bare sauces.
Pass me barbecue.
Man said barbecue. Are opening it up already in that. Oh! Smell it, fam.
Fam, you don't smell sauces.
Have you
If
tried
smell
it,
sauces,
fam?
you won't like them.
What you say? Did we sip simultaneously? Anyway, yeah. Man ain't eating all day innit, because we said we're gonna do this challenge innit. We were all like, yo, should we all couple like, yo, should we go and get breakfast now? Nah, let's get this challenge done innit. Yeah, I ain't saying
Get
no
them
more
nuggets,
feeling it innit, get hungry and that. Yo, but
What I'm trying to do is eat a nugget.
alright, we got the timer there. Game!
Oh shit.
Game!
There, Nick.
You gotta put your work in this, cuz. You better put it. No.
Some good ass nugget.
No. Do you know what? Yeah, already I know, yeah, cause see, someone's gonna be like, oh, Arnie, you keep going for a drink. Right. But you know what? Yeah, I don't care about that.
What you meant to drink?
No, you can, but Sappho in it. He always like mocks me in it, cause every time I eat in it, I always have a drink.
Yeah.
You know them way.
I clocked it.
But yeah, believe my lifestyle is mad. And it's just getting started, yeah. Who'd have thought I lived the life of a YouTuber? Do you reckon we can do this though?
Easy.
Yeah, 100%.
100 chicken nuggets is my own.
So what's far? How's your day?
Don't stop. So we come out. How do we get a flat tire? I'm not letting that go, bro.
But like,
And then my mum forgot the lock disc. The most important thing, you know. I went to walk all the way back home. Motherfucking heat.
and it's so hot. Why's it hot there? Yo, I mean, I don't mind the heat, though. The heat be rare out here.
It's raining week.
Yeah. Nah, it has. Where you charge your phone? You're lying.
Oh, bro, you're a liar, man.
You're a liar. Hey, you're a liar.
Is it even started?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yo, this shit ain't no joke, bro. I was relaxed thinking, man.
Yeah, I was like that. Yeah. They ain't even touched these 2 boxes. How you doing? You putting it work in.
How you doing?
I'm putting my work in too, nigga. What?
I'm on at 3 in all that time.
I think we approached this wrong. We definitely went ready for this because yo, I am that box, yeah. You am that, I am that, yeah. You am that, yeah. And then
Oh shit.
yeah, we split that. Oh come on! What?
You good, bro? No. Look, you're about to die.
Ernie, you haven't uploaded in a while. Ernie, let's go. I'm coming back. I got 100 chicken nuggets. I rip it. I rip it.
Boom. 20.
Oh my god.
I'ma say it.
What?
Wait, make it.
What's the time?
I'ma say it.
You eat a damn 100 nuggets in a minute.
I mean, I feel like I'm not even gonna try rush no more.
Let's give up on that.
Oh.
22. Oh no. Hey, wait. I don't get a nugget fight.
Oh, stop. What? Okay.
It's harder than 80.
Yeah.
10 minutes ain't that long. And time's up. I mean, I'm gonna count the ones that through, because
Technically that counts.
technically they have been gotten rid of.
From the box. So
Yeah.
That's for them all.
Shut up. Right? It's a stupid challenge.
how many did you eat?
I got
18. And you drew through the last 2 hours box.
right.
So you
Oh,
ate
and then one
No.
over there.
18 nuggets.
19.
No. Yeah, and I ate another one. I ate 3 out of there.
8 nuggets in 10 minutes.
Bam! Yeah. So we tried that. That didn't work. Don't really like nuggets. I just discovered that. I don't think I'm ever gonna. I don't like. If I go to McDonald's, I'm not ordering no nuggets. But I thought nuggets were meant to be nice. Nuggets.
It's chicken, ain't it? Chicken's always.
I'm just joking. I'm just sour because I lost. If you think this was a good video, make sure you hit that like. Oh, I still want to eat it. Yo, these are good.
What is that noise?
Yo, thank y'all for tuning in. Thank you. Yo, if you made it here, you're a G, fam. You're an MVP, you feel me? Get me. So basically, that was a flop. Got bad chicken nuggets now. I don't even like chicken nuggets anymore.
Yeah, I'm traumatized.
I'ma say, I ain't gonna get any chicken nuggets ever again. Yo, thanks for watching the video. Obviously, that's a chicken nugget challenge.
We out here.
Cool. Yo, make sure that you hit that like button. Make sure you hit the subscribe button. If you ain't already, make sure you hit the notifications button so that you get a notification every time I upload. Yo, my social media handles are gonna pop up right here.
Okay.
No cap. Yo, it's your boy Arnie Blip. And I'm out.
Really? You said you were up, huh? Promise.
Approach, my goal is to sit on the iron throne. I'm cold in a fight with the dead, like a white walker, bro.
What am I doing?
180.
I'll do it on your hand first.
Okay. Okay.